Welcome to Piedmont Park, a vibrant haven in the heart of Atlanta. Today, we'll embark on an aerial journey and explore the historical significance of this park and the plethora of attractions it has to offer. Piedmont Park holds a special place in the hearts of Atlantans, serving as a testament to the city's growth and resilience. Established in 1904, this sprawling urban green space has witnessed countless moments of joy, recreation, and community bonding over the years. Take a moment to admire the stunning Atlanta skyline in the distance. This juxtaposition of urban architecture against the park's lush greenery symbolizes the city's dynamic spirit and its harmonious blend of nature and modernity. Piedmont Park, where nature meets the city. Admire Atlanta's skyline as it harmonizes with the park's lush greenery. Sports enthusiasts will find their paradise within the boundaries of Piedmont Park. Piedmont Park Aquatic Center, a hub of excitement and water-based activities, this modern facility hosts swimming competitions, water polo matches, and serves as a retreat for those seeking an invigorating escape from the summer heat. It's a place where dreams are made, and champions are born. Lake Clara Meer is a tranquil oasis in the heart of Atlanta. The 11.5-acre lake was created in 1887 from a spring that flowed into the park. In 1895, the lake was enlarged and named Clara Meer, after Clara Matthews, the wife of Atlanta Mayor Henry Atkinson Matthews. There is also a dock and a gazebo where visitors can relax and enjoy the view. The lake is surrounded by lush green lawns and trees, providing a peaceful and scenic setting. Today, Lake Clara Meer continues to be a popular spot for recreation and relaxation. It is a great place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy some peace and quiet. The park plays an important role in fostering a healthy and active lifestyle. Meanwhile, families gather in open spaces, creating joyful memories, as children laugh and play, and parents cherish moments of togetherness. Piedmont Park, where history, nature, and community converge. Explore the soul of Atlanta, with its breathtaking skyline, serene lake, bustling recreational facilities, and the joyous spirit of its visitors. Come, experience the magic of Piedmont Park, and create memories that will stand the test of time. Come and discover the captivating allure of Piedmont Park for yourself, where the past meets the present, and every moment holds the promise of a brighter future.